Standard 8. Today we will discuss about the chapter 5, that is introduction to HTML. Okay. Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for what? HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So what is HTML? What is hypertext markup language? HTML is a computer language which is used to creating and designing the websites. Okay, websites. You know websites. Websites. So that HTML language is used to creating and designing the what? Websites. Websites created by HTML, that is viewed by what? World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Right? We write now www dot, like this we will write when we search for a website www.kems.ac.in. Okay, so this World Wide Web will view the websites of Kalinga English Medium School. That is okay. So now HTML. It is the actually HTML language. It is the set of markup codes and symbols that are inserted in a file, and the markup, that thing what, that we write that this markup, the markup tells the browser to display the web pages, its word, its images, okay, to the for the user, and each individual markup code is referred to as an element. Okay, each individual codes are referred to what? Elements. They are called elements, and each element, they are this set of, sorry, not each element, these sets of element. Okay, these are popularly known as tag. So tag is used to make the HTML. Okay, or HTML, creating of HTML, whatever document, that is used by what? This tag. So HTML is not a case sensitive language. That is not uppercase, lowercase, not like this word, or not like these functions are there. So only whatever written on the websites, that will be displayed on a particular manner. Okay, and after that, by phone, today what we are doing is that we are just zooming in or zooming out, right? Now, what are the software required for HTML, for creating the HTML? Okay, or what are the software required that we work to create the HTML? The software required for HTML are three softwares. These are editor. First one is editor. Okay. Second one is what? Translator. And third one is output program. Output programs. Okay. So now, what is editor? Editor is an application software which we use to write the HTML code. Okay, which we write the HTML code, and the most widely used editor is application software, that is Notepad. Notepad you must have seen in the computer, in all programs accessories, right? So you can open it easily. So some of the available editor programs are front page, or we can say Dreamweaves, or you can say TextPad, okay, etc., etc. Now this is about the editor. What is translator? Translator means what? The code language that we have entered in the notepad, that will be converted into the machine language or machine codes, okay, because computer only understand the machine language, and that is why that translator is required. And Windows interpreters, which interprets the program, that is what? Translator. Now output programs. What are output programs? The document we have typed on the notepad, okay, after we will after that we save it. How to view that program or that documents or that text, whatever we have typed, okay, using the text or attribute and elements, etc., etc. So that will be how to view the output programs. We can use the some internet browser, that is what? Internet Explorer, it may be Mozilla Firefox or Chrome's, or we can use also Mini Opera can also be used, etc. Okay, so these are the softwares program or output programs we use to view the what? HTML documents. Okay, next is how what is the actually what must be the structure of the HTML documents. The structure of the HTML documents, it contains, basically it is divided into the three parts. Okay, first part we say that is HTML. HTML means what? HTML means the entire program will be voided by HTML. Okay, so it is started with always HTML and ended with also HTML. We will discuss about the tags, ending tags, starting tag, whatever. Okay, next is head part, heading. What is the head? Okay, what title it must display, regarding which you are going to type your some lines, or you want to upload some images on any paragraphs, etc. Okay, next one is body. Body contain the contents. Okay, what contents of your that you are going to write. Okay, now HTML. So what will be the basic structure of a document, HTML document? Opening on the notepad, we type first HTML. Okay, this is the starting tag. Okay, then what? Headings, HEAD, head, starts. Okay, then head contains what? Title. To display the title, we have another tags, that is title. Okay, and there you write Kalinga English Medium School. I write, this is my title, Kalinga English Medium School. Okay, this is my title. Then I will end this title. So first, to end the tag, a backslash and then title. Okay, then head is also ended. Okay, this is the head. Now after head, it starts body. Body what? Whatever you write, address of your school, Paladuga, back of RNGU school, ward number 10, okay, whatever. Then it will also be ended by body end. Okay. ended. Next, here body is ended, and what node is ended there? HTML will also be ended. Okay. Now this will be done by what? Browsed by output programs to show its output. Okay. Output will show that in the medium in the top Kalinga English Medium School, and then below there is the address of the school. Okay. So the Internet Explorer also you can do this. After that, HTML, actually here you see HTML and HTML end. This is starting tag, this is the ending tag. These are used. HTML tag is used to start the HTML documents, to type the HTML documents, and after typing, HTML end tag is used to end the programs. Okay. Now what are the HTML tags? HTML tags are, they are the code. Right, already we have known the HTML codes are referred as the tag, and tags can be categorized as the empty tag and what? Container tag. Empty tag means what? Empty. Sorry, EMPTY. Empty tag says this is a tag which has starting tag, but it does not have any attributes. Okay. It does not have any attributes. As for example, we can say line break tag, because line break tag, just we write this one where you want to break the line, then the HTML automatically breaks the line and it starts another paragraph, making paragraph. Okay. Then because this is an empty tag, container tags are the tag which contains the both attribute as well as the tags. Okay, starting tag. Like we say here, body starting, ending, HTML starting, ending. Okay, head starting, ending, title starting, ending. So these are the container tags, right? Or we can say the body color. Okay, body background color, body space background BG color is equal to green. This is the attribute, this is the value. Okay. This is color is attribute and green is the value. That but properly it, then what? This tag or this syntax, it color the total background will be green. Okay. Next, HTML tag and their attributes. The tag attributes actually they are very important for the HTML, as they give the additional information about the tag. Okay, because the attributes are used to amplify the what? Tags. Amplify means what? Amplify means it says to the web browser that read the old tags as well as it search for the attributes and displays the element to the in its entire, okay, in its whole entire. So at some point what you suppose you want to give what you want to give the body background color, you want to insert image, you want some paragraphs or some margins in any of the sides, then all these things more can be achieved using the attributes. Okay, and attributes must be how attribute must be written in the starting tag. So that is how attribute should be written. Attribute should be written in the starting tag, and attributes appear as an attribute's name, and that is name, then attribute name. Okay, this is then equal sign and the value. It should be like this, and value must be written within the double quotes like this. Okay, value must be written within the double quotes. Next is how to define different attributes in the same tag are separated by the what? Space. We can say tag names like this. Let me discuss. Tag name. Tag name space attribute 1. Okay. Then equal sign value 1. Then space attribute 2. Then equal sign. Then value 2. Okay. Like this. Tag name. Okay. This is the starting tag and it will be ended by the tag name. Backslash tag name. Okay. Backslash and then tag name. So these are the syntax here. Then you can write here. This is the starting tag and you can enter the text here, whatever the text you want to enter, and then tag name will be ended by the end tag. Yes. Okay, this is how the syntax gives the attributes. Body tag with the attributes that we had written that you can use the background color, background FG color, or font ground color, or margins. Okay. So body tag forms the body of the HTML actually. HTML document. It is used the set of background color, image color, picture, whatever. So margin, etc. and of the body of the what? And all these things will be written on the particular way. Okay, then only it can be executed. Otherwise, there some error will be. With any error, it cannot be executed. It doesn't run the program. That is why it has many attributes and background color, FG color, margins. These are used more commonly. Okay. Next comes how to getting started with the HTML. Actually, HTML how to getting started. There are certain steps that we have to follow. These are, see, suppose we have computers. Okay. Then you go to the start button. Click on the start button. Then all programs. Then accessories. Select accessories here. And then after accessories, go to the notepad. And then type the HTML programs. Okay. Type HTML programs. And then what? Go click after typing the click on the file. Okay. In the toolbars, file to save the program. Okay. And after saving, suppose that file we are discussing about KMS. Okay. Save the file with the extension name .html. Okay. We can write like this .html extension. Okay. Extension .html. That file we had discussed that can be saved by the name kems.html. Okay. kems.html. So this is today's about all classes. Okay, all about today's classes. So see you in the next videos. Have a good day.